In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple columns in Smartsheet. First, open Smartsheet and head to the home page. From here, you can either start a new project, program, or process, or jump into something you've already been working on. If you're starting fresh, pick a template or a blank sheet. If you're continuing existing work, browse through the suggested area or switch to all workspaces to find what you need. Open the workspace, then open the specific sheet where you want to add columns. With your sheet open in grid view, decide where the new column should appear. Click the header of a column near that spot to select it, then right-click to open the column menu. Choose Insert Column Left or Insert Column Right to place your new column exactly where it belongs. Left or right simply controls whether the new column appears before or after the one you selected. Next, choose a column type. You'll see helpful categories like Recommended, Basic, Planning Status, Date, and People. Recommended suggests commonly used types based on context. Basic includes versatile options such as text, number, drop-down, checkbox, and symbols. Planning status works well for phases, progress, or health indicators. Date gives you a calendar-enabled field for schedules and deadlines. People lets you assign work to contacts so ownership is clear. Pick the type that best matches the kind of information you plan to store. Give your column a clear name. Short, consistent titles make reporting and formulas easier down the road. If it's helpful, add an optional description. This is a great place to explain what belongs in the column, provide formatting rules or examples, and set expectations for collaborators. When everything looks good, click Apply to create the column. To add multiple columns, simply repeat the same insert action. A fast workflow is to select the most recently added column and choose Insert Column Right for the next one, so they build out in the exact order you want. If you need a column to appear before an existing one, select that existing column and choose Insert Column Left. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Plan your sequence of column types before you start. Text, number for IDs or names, date for schedules, people for owners, and a status field for tracking progress. And keep naming consistent so filters, formulas, and reports stay clean. If you don't see insert options, make sure you have the right permissions on the sheet. And that's it. You opened your sheet, used the column menu, selected the right types, named them clearly, and applied the changes, repeating the process to add as many columns as your project needs.